Hi everyone, and welcome to the Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Joe Dale. I'm a former languages teacher. I taught French for 13 years at secondary school level and at middle school level. I'm an independent languages consultant specializing in the use of how technology can enhance language learning. And in this masterclass, I'm going to be talking about promoting listening and speaking skills through creativity. So we're going to be looking at tools such as Vocaroo, SpeakPipe, Record Everything Online, all of which are free. As quick and easy ways of recording speaking in the browser and sending the results to the teacher. We're going to be looking at QWIQR conversations, which is a wonderful way of practicing conversations and role play tasks. And we're going to also be looking at wheelofnames.com, which is a free website which allows you to put in either text or images into a wheel to spin it, and then it then chooses one item randomly. So you can use it as a standard name picker, or for different visual prompts for speaking as well. So why should you come along to this Gallery Teachers Masterclass? Well, I would say if you're looking for ideas around how you can promote speaking in a variety of different contexts, be it a remote context, a hybrid context, a face-to-face context, and if you want to practice speaking and listening asynchronously or synchronously, then you will learn a great deal from this workshop, because it will give you lots of tips and tricks exactly on how to do that, with practical examples that you can relate to and hopefully connect with. So I look forward to your feedback, and hopefully you'll find the presentation really useful and you can use it straight away in your classrooms anywhere in the world.